Hey everyone, check out the Oztwel Snooker ball storage case, designed to hold 22 billiard balls securely and safely. Made from lightweight yet durable aluminum, this case features reinforced corners to protect your balls during travel. Inside, high-density foam inserts keep each ball separated to prevent damage or rattling. Two stainless steel latches ensure the case stays firmly closed, avoiding accidental spills. Sized perfectly for standard 2 1/16-inch snooker balls, it's compact and easy to carry wherever you go. Whether you're a casual player or a pro, this case offers stylish, reliable protection for your billiard balls. It's a great way to keep your pool gear organized and ready for the next game. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.